It was the year 1612. An English employee of the East India Company was going around in the afternoon in Calcutta market. He saw many people buying a special pottery. Out of curiosity, he also reached the shop. He asked the shopkeeper what was that pot called and why many people were buying it. The old man, as a shopkeeper, said, "Sahab, it is an earthenware called ghada, matka. If you keep water in it, it will remain cold." The British employee bought a pitcher and went ahead carrying it. A little distance away, there was another pottery shop, again with customers crowding it. A special type of pitcher-like pot was available at this shop with a long neck and a small mouth. The Englishman was puzzled to see it and asked the potter salesperson, what was that called and how was it used? "Sir, this is called a surahi, something similar to a jug. And sir, between matka and surahi, the latter is more effective in keeping the water cool. You have bought the pitcher, matka, from a father's shop, but you could have got a better vessel as this surahi at the same price. The quality of my wares is better than my father's, and moreover, my price is cheaper than what he sells at. It is just that my father traps the customers at the entrance of the market." The Englishman bought a surahi from here and went ahead smiling. He had barely walked a distance when he saw another pottery shop crowded with customers. The pot and wares were very beautiful. He showed interest in a pot that was smaller in size than the matka and surahi, and this pot had a thin spout near its neck. He accosted the salesperson and asked what that was. He was told that ware was called a tumba. The young salesperson said that matka and surahi, bought from his father and brother, cannot mold water to flow smoothly and hence waste water, whereas tumba allows no wastage of cold water. He further added that his father and brother were jealous of him as they failed to match with his skills. The Englishman bought a tumba and smiled. This time the smile was a little crooked. Next morning, he carried the 3 earthenwares to the captain's office. The captain asked, what were those for? The employee told him that those were pots that kept the water cool. He further added that he also had important information for him which would benefit the British government tremendously. The captain was now curious. He asked impatiently, what was so special? The employee said, Indians are highly skilled and there is a lot of wealth in India. Then he narrated the entire incident and he added, "Sir, one feature about Indians that I want to share with you is that they carry excessive ego and are jealous of one another. These 3 types of wares have been made by members of the same family, but all 3 are highly egoistic about their skills and jealous of one another. You can demoralize one by praising the other." Give a thought to the fact that the common people are so highly divided. I guess Raje Rajwade, Nawab Sultan would definitely be more divided and would not be maintaining cordial neighborly relations. By luring one princely state to join us, we can easily conquer another. The captain's eyes lit up. He started writing letters to London. And all of us know the story thereafter.